My name is Ebenezer. I'm gonna be singing Lego by B. Smith and Two Chains. Please subscribe, comment, and follow. Follow me at Raymond's Girls 1235 for Twitter and Love Sassy Diva 12 for Instagram. Yeah. So hope you like it. Subscribe and comment and follow. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you looking like me on your side. I don't know who you get with tonight. But I don't know around with you, leave me, yeah. Ain't what a person that I see who right in the same life, like all your life. And then I gotta earn time to think, girl. Leave me, girl. It's all me things you live for, baby. I got I can leave you can wait. I know I can get more than that, baby. Got that tiger. I take more than